पाई ना.
तो सब इधर आ रहा है.
Come closer. No, come in photos.
Akash, now is the time to take video.
No, come this side now so that you.
Yeah, now is the time. Oh yeah.
This is one more step for you to have the baby one day.
अब क्या बोले नहीं बोल सकता. हाँ. इधर आ जा.
Slightly here.
Okay.
लाइट सही हुआ
हाँ
क्या?
नहीं चलो मैं इससे बना.
लाइट क्योंकि थोड़ा
और ये
है ना अभी.
इसका क्या करें? अच्छा.
This fine?
That's great.
ठीक है.
ये बीच में आ रही है.
ये कहाँ पे रखें?
The record you're coming in.
You guys should
No,
come
it's
here
fine.
so
Maybe
that you are
we can keep this
closer.
someplace else.
So,
Can you recommend which place
which-
can we
which-
keep
because
so that we can record it?
CD play.
You go pass.
Where should we put it?
CD खोल के तो रखो.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, maybe on that right
Okay.
here.
Yeah, we can
Yep.
put this over there.
Perfect.
Yeah, good idea. Good idea. Good thinking. Good idea.
और you guys हाँ यहाँ आ जा तू भी.
But feet are
पलक आ जा.
एक मिनट रुको.
उठा उठा इसको उठा उठा.
मैंने नहीं लिया मैं.
वो भी आएगी रे बीच में.
मैंने लिखा बट मुझे पता नहीं क्या बोलना है. मैं भूल चुका हूँ. मेरे को पढ़ के बोलना था. बट तू नहीं पढ़ रही मैं भी नहीं पढ़ूंगा.
मैं पढ़ूंगी हम बोलेंगे.
वो आ रही है ना.
So
अभी तो
according
कुछ
to
नहीं हो सकता इधर से अच्छा नहीं.
Vibhuti, so we are starting the ceremony now. So according to the AMM, which is American Marriage Ministries, there are 7 steps for an American marriage, which will tune according to Hindu rituals. First step is the procession, which is like pre-start of the ceremony, which we have already done. Second is the invocation, which marks the official beginning of the ceremony. So that's where we are right now. So we are all here to celebrate Pratyush and Ankita's wedding. Thank you all for coming. I'll be the officiant for this ceremony and be acting as a minister. I think the next step is the most important step in relation to marriages which happen here. So it is called declaration of intent. So here I'll ask both of them, do they accept to marry each other? So starting with Pratyush, do you take Ankita to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold in sickness and in health, in good times and woe, for richer or poorer, keeping yourself unto her for as long as you both shall live? If so, answer I do. I do. To Ankita, do you take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold in sickness and in health, in good times and woe, for richer or poorer, keeping yourself unto him for as long as you both shall live? If so, answer I do.
I do.
So this is this marks the official, both are officially married now. Now we move on to the step 4, which is the vows exchange. So this we have tuned according to Hindu rituals. And this might take like 5 to 10 minutes. So for the first vow, the groom is promising. It's called Om Isha Ikapadi Bhava Iti Prathaman. What it means is, you will offer me food and be helpful in every way. I will cherish you and provide welfare and happiness for you and our children. The bride complies in return. Dhanam Dhanyam Pade Vade, which means I am responsible for the home and all household, food and finance responsibilities. Concisely, the bride and groom promise each other prosperity by fulfilling their respective roles in their lives. That's the first vow. For the second vow, the groom will say Om Urje Jara Dastahaya, meaning together we will protect our house and children. The bride in return promises Kutumbun Rakshya Shyami Sa Aravidhiram, which translates as I will be by your side as your courage and strength. I will rejoice in your happiness. In return, you will love me solely being the important word here.
But you should accept it. You should say I do. Right?
Yeah, I should probably ask.
Yeah, you should pause for them to accept
So
that.
do you accept these vows?
First and second, both.
First and second. So during the third vow, the groom says, Om Rayas Santu Joradastaiha, by which he means, may we grow wealthy and prosperous and strive for the education of our children, and may our children live long. In return, the bride promises, Tava Bhakti as Vade Devacha, meaning I will love you again solely for the rest of my life as you are my husband. Every other man in my life will be secondary. I vow to remain chaste. Do you accept?
You'll have to say accept, and you'll have to say accept.
During the fourth vow, the groom declares Om Mayo Bhavyas Jaradastayaha, by which he means you have brought sacredness into my life and have completed me. May we be blessed with noble and obedient children. In return for this promise, the bride says Lalayami Cha Padevade, by which he means I will shower you with joy from head to toe. I will strive to please you in every way I can. Do you agree?
Yes.
You should think about this.
With asterisks. Conditions apply.
For the fifth vow, the groom says Om Prajabhaya Santu Jaradastaya, by which he means you are my best friend and staunchest well-wisher. You have come into my life, enriching it. God bless you. To this, the bride says, Arte Arba Sapadevade, or I promise to love you and cherish you for as long as I live. Your happiness is my happiness, and your sorrow is my sorrow. I will trust and honor you, and will strive to fulfill all your wishes. Again, do you both agree?
Yes, we agree.
We agree? Agree or yours?
I agree. During the sixth vow, the groom asked, Ritubhya Shat Padibha, which means, now that you have taken six steps with me, you have filled my heart with immense happiness. Will you do the kindness of filling my heart with happiness like this for all times? To this, the bride replies, Yana Om Shashte Vachovade, which means I will always be by your side. For the last and seventh vow, the groom says, Om Sakhi Jaradastha Yagya, by which he proclaims, we are now husband and we are one. You are mine and I am yours for eternity. The bride accepts this proclamation and says, Atramshe Sakshino Vade Pade, which means as God is witness, I am your wife. We will love, honor and cherish each other forever. So now the next step is rings exchange. So So just a line about this, like the rings you're about to place on each other's fingers are symbols of your love. They will remind you of the eternal love that you have for one another.
नहीं ऐसे
पहले लड़की करती है
पहले मैं करूँ तो दे दे
उसको दिया ना
नहीं अब
Yeah, now hold it.
इस वाले हाथ में होती है अंकिता हाँ, इस वाले हाथ में ये वाला
लड़की तेरे रिंग का सिग्निफिकेंस ये देख उसको बता दे
हम लोग कैमरा पकड़े हम लोग सारे नहीं बजा पाते
हाँ ना
So this is the pronouncement step, sixth step. So by the power given to me by American Marriage Ministries and by the state of Washington, I now pronounce you husband and wife. I think this is the end of the
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you for being part of this. You.
तुम दोनों को
आजा. आजा. या तेरे पैर पड़ने चाहिए ना.
अपन
Now we can like do it. Groups or whatever, however you want. We can all do together. Yeah.
Let's have one together, then all of you can have it.
हाँ फिर ऐसा नहीं करेंगे
Would you mind if we turn so that the light is hitting you guys in the photo?
Yeah.
Turn this to the water?
Yeah.
Oh no, we can. Oh.
You're going to
पूरी मारेंगे
That's it. मतलब सूरज ऐसे आ रहा है तो ऐसे
How do you want? Is it good?
This is fine. Yep, I can go right here.
Yeah.
And then you guys have
Background तो आएगा ना
that's not
अपन ही आएगा
हाँ अपन ही आ रहे तो that's fine.
आ जाओ
फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो
Perfect. Yep, everybody can stay. Hi, this is Good. Perfect. Yep, if you can put an arm around the person next to you so it's tight, that's awesome. Good. And then any phones that are visible, sneak them behind you. Just for the picture. You got one in your pocket or your hand. Hand it to someone that has a pocket or put it in your back pocket.
Where is Srinath? Sindhura, where is Srinath?
Where is Srinath? I saw him. Perfect. Alright, everybody good? Okay, smiling right here. And then, this is a fun one, and we don't have to do it if you guys don't want to, but it can be fun if they give each other a little kiss and everyone's like, okay. Alright, ready?
Okay, we'll give them a little.
Okay, one. Okay. Alright, I have another fun one. Okay, you guys, it'll be quick. You guys are gonna make like a tunnel for them to walk through, okay? So guys will be on this side, like, yeah! Girls will be on this side here, and then they're gonna like hold hands and walk through towards me, okay?
Downhill? Okay.
Yeah, towards them, sorry. And if you guys don't want to be in the grass, you can always push it back.
It's okay, we'll sacrifice that.
So a little bit tight, so like basically the width of the two of them holding hands. There you go. Perfect. Okay, hold on. Make sure you got that.
उधर से लिया ना
Okay, yeah, you guys are gonna put your hands up so it's like they're actually walking
Yeah, all
through
right.
a tunnel. Okay, ready? Good.
फोन की उठा
Awesome. Yeah, let's do it one more time. That was like a practice round.
Sindhura, one ticket take off.
You guys can like cheer for them. Yeah. Go through kind of like in like football when they come out. Okay.
We need rice to throw it on.
Yeah, that's nice. Yes, where's the rice? Bring out the rice.
Yeah. Awesome. Chalo, thank you.
तुम लोग ना
Can we take some? Yes, of course.
Time for that.
Yeah, we can.
So you can go over there. You all can go over
पहले
there.
एक करना है
Oh yeah.
Akash, come.
Yeah, on the dock.
Yeah, exactly.
You guys want to go on the dock?
Dog, where is-
Dock? Yeah, yeah, on the dock. Okay.
You all can go on the dog and click photos there.
Yeah, let's do that.
एक खिड़की आओ ना
And
एक काट के आते हैं
ठीक है तो फिर केक वहाँ पे लेने
We have to cut the cake.
We'll do that first and then we will.
Sure. Yeah, so shall we take cake there?
नहीं
No, it's fine. We'll cut the cake here and then.
हाँ
अबे इसके अंदर से जाना है।